Today's goal is to clear from this cocoa tree down here through this middle brush, which is rocks and vines and all kinds of stuff, down to this stick. So basically we're going to take a band all the way the 70 feet across the property. That's about like 25 feet by 70 feet. Clear right through, and if there's anything worth saving in there, we'll save it, but it'll give us an idea of the topography. And this front half of the yard, I've pretty much decided, there's the road up there, the front half of the yard I've pretty much decided is going to be all garden beds, because as we've moved farther back into the land, it gets rockier and rockier in the middle, so I'll just put my house on the less decent agricultural land. Our house in the middle of the land. You guys, man, this last time, every time I said oh my gosh, he doesn't include his wife. Look, she's in the video, okay? Besides, I own her, so of course I would include her in you know? I mean, I bought her fair and square. Anyhow, yeah, our house in the middle of the lot.
Got ourselves some land. We're clearing out the brush and vines and doing what we can. Rachel's knocking down the grass. The kids all have machetes and Dad's the cameraman. Our house in the middle of our lot. Our house in the middle of our house in the middle of our lot. Rachel's brother brought a drone and sent it up above our land so you can see our jungle home. Some people hate my possessive pronouns, but I can hear you. Na, 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 na.
Well, look at that. There's a cocoa tree. And there is nice, clear land. Actually, this stick was right about here, and that was marking our like 25 feet. But we ended up all the way down to here. And this material here, there's a lot of really invasive vines. If you guys in the south are familiar with bindweed, it has relatives down here. And it's like basically wild morning glory. And it binds up everything, it ties everything up, and there's wild yam vines and all kinds of other vines. So a lot of it, we started pulling the vines off the ground and it uncovered the soil. Like you can see, this is piles of brush and a lot of it's vines. And I was thinking of composting it all. I'm not sure, because I'm actually afraid of a lot of them coming back. There's a ton of seeds in there, so I just leave it somewhere and see what happens. Or I'll get tired of it and I'll burn it all. Slash and burn, man. So I've got to clean this last little bit right here. But you can see this is quite impressive. And we actually managed to pull quite a few yams out of here. And there's actually more to pull. I found these, you know, these little holes, and we chased the yam vines down and found where they were growing. And there's like 2 or 3 left that I have to dig. Let's see if I can show you one. See, I started digging that, and I said, you know, this is going to take me another hour, and I think it's a better use of my time to clear. The yam's not going to spoil in the ground. But there we go, not bad. And now Rachel's got a little bit of a meal going. We got a fire lit over there in the grove, and we're gonna roast some breadfruit and some plantains, and I got a bottle of scotch and a cigar. So until next time, may your thumbs always be green.
I went to see David the Good. We listened to Portishead and drank spiced rum.
Do they bite? Yeah. Did you bite? Did you get bite one here? Yeah.